Hello guys, today we're gonna review this firework solar lights that I got from Amazon. As you can see, they arrive like this, so you have to spread them out like that just so they will look like fireworks. As you can see, they're pretty bright. All that, and they will be a great addition to my backyard. Highly recommend this. And there's this control which is powered by solar, and there's like different modes to it, and as you can see the battery is almost low because I just got this, and I'll wait for tomorrow so I can install this. There are 8 modes. That's mode number 8, where they're just pretty much light. That's mode 1. They will look like fireworks. Let's see what mode 2 is. Mode 3, slow-mo. Mode 4. There you go. And mode 5. There it goes, like 4th of July out here in my backyard. Alrighty guys, that was it. Highly recommend this. Thank you for watching.